How to make a chest in Terraria. So to make a standard chest, you need access to metal bars. And of course, you will need your workbench. Then you need to have some wood ready. Then just make sure you have some iron bars. Then just go to your workbench and prepare 8 wood and 2 iron bars. So as you can see, when you go close, you can now craft the chest right here. So if I click on it, as you can see, I now have crafted my chest. So I could basically place it anywhere I want. I could place it right here. You can also craft different cosmetic variations of the chest right here. So as you can see, if you use a palm wood type of material, you can now create a palm wood chest right here. You could also use some ebon wood to craft the ebon wood chest right there. So all these variations have the same storage capacity, which is 40 slots. The only difference is basically the visual. Also do note that you cannot destroy a chest if it has some items inside. So you must empty every single slot first. Then you could use a pickaxe to basically break it and pick it up. Then you could just basically put it back again wherever you want. So you could reposition it. And that is how you basically make a chest in Terraria.